Hello. I've been asked several times how come my exhaust looks clean all the time. See, this is from my Kawasaki Vulcan S. Actually, there's no special technique or anything else that I do here. It's just that I always clean the exhaust every after ride. That's the only technique, and it's easy to do. Just get a rag, dump it in water, and then wipe the thing off. Because after each ride, see, like this one from the ride yesterday, you see those spots? Mostly it's oil and coming from the road and dirt. Once this thing gets hit,
Hot again.
during the ride, these things here, the smudge and stains will stick to the tube, to the metal. So the only way to prevent it from happening is to wipe it off. And that's it. Plain and simple. So you're preventing the smudge, asphalt, or anything, especially dirt from the road. With oil, that's the one that will make your pipe look dirty in the long run. So if you just do this very simple trick every after ride or before you ride on, before the pipe gets
Hot
hit up
again.
you will have a nice clean exhaust pipe forever. There you go. Easy.